पणजी पालिकेत पे पार्किंग आणि सप प्रश्नार घोटाळे चल्ल्यात। पे पार्किंग प्रकल्प ज्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांनी हातात घेतिल्लो तांच्यांनी रीण पुराय केल्ले ना म्हण महापौर सुरेंद्र फुर्तादो उलयला। आरडेक्सको खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मुनाली।
Pay parking contractor has been dodging the corporation city of Panji as far as payment is concerned. Initially, he wrote a letter to us that some of the boards and thermostat painting of the roads were incomplete. That we should give him a rebate from 5 lakh to 2.5 lakhs. For which we brought this to the corporation meeting. And the corporation decided till October we should give him a rebate. We have done the road painting everywhere. All boards are put. Pay parking contractor is not paying his dues.
How much?
It's couple of lakhs.
25.
Around, yeah. Some 25 lakhs more. Exactly figure I don't know. Because commissioner is handling this. The 1 year contract. I think in few months time more, the license will be expired. But I don't understand what bad luck this corporation city of Panji has got as far as pay parking is concerned or SOPO is concerned. Every contractor tries to take CCP for a ride. Because in the past they have done this thing. They feel even now they can do it. Now Gadbad Singh is sitting here.
Who's Gadbad Singh?
Me. I will not allow all this thing to happen.
So what type of action you will take, sir?
Commissioner will do the needful. He is the administrative head. If we have to file some police complaint, we'll file a police complaint. This contractor has even contested in Naveli.
तुम्ही बॅकलिस्ट करताल तांकां पोशी फारीक करना
Everything will just now no talking. Whatever we will do it.